Hey guys, let's talk about the Bud Lake test a little bit. So I was reading over it. Um, as I told you in class, 30 questions. First 20 are multiple choice, the next 10 are fill in the blank. Some of you are going to blaze through this in about 15 minutes. They are 3.3 each, so if you miss 3, that's a 90. If you miss 6, that's an 80. If you miss 9, that's a 70. Some of you are going to end up in the 80s when you could be in the 90s because instead of missing 3, you're going to miss 4. And some of you, instead of missing 6 or less, you're going to miss 7 or 8 because I know you guys and you don't read the questions thoroughly, especially when some of them are easy to you and you start going fast. So read the whole thing, find out what is the question it's asking. Because as you know with these tests, it's multiple choice, so they're made to trick you. Some of the answers are distractors. They're there to pull your attention and make you think that that's the right answer. Alright, I know you're used to that, but I just want to remind you. So make sure you get credit for everything that you know. This is not, these multiple choice tests don't just quiz you on basic knowledge like the blue sheet was. So if I gave you another blue sheet and said fill it out, that would be asking you about basic knowledge. There's going to be a little application here, and for you to make connections between one thing on the blue sheet and another, even though they're in different places on the blue sheet. So a concept that was on number 5 and a concept that's on number 9 or 15 off the blue sheet review could be put together in one topic. I just made those numbers up. Could be put together into one question, and you'll have to know relationships between those things. Maybe on the timeline, put them in order by date, even though they weren't given to you or asked that way on the blue sheet. So just because you know the information on the blue sheet doesn't mean that you're going to do super well on every question. So you're going to have to really start to put things on that blue sheet together yourself. Some of the questions will be very easy for you, but some of them might trick students who don't read thoroughly, or who maybe just didn't prepare well enough. It is possible for you to do quite well. So there's an answer document. You put all your answers on the answer document. You turn it into the table. There's just a class set of the test, so you won't write on the test. Okay, that's what you need to know. And we'll do some other activities as well. Review is not one of them, because we got to spend a big chunk of Friday going over the blue sheet, working on the blue sheet, giving you class time for that review sheet. I made these videos with the expectation that you will take advantage of this opportunity, and so I'm not going to give you class time to study. This weekend was study time, Friday was study time. Okay, we will do another activity for new content, and then we will take this exam. Okay, see you Monday. Bye-bye.